Hi, I've decided that I wanted to use more of my Cricut cartridges and not use the same ones over and over again. I took out the 3 birds on Parade, and I've decided I'm going to take one cartridge every day and try to make a project out of it. On this one I've chosen the barbecue little bird, the barbecue, and it's all done with scrap paper because they were all done, I chose the 3-inch size to do it. And the What's Cooking I did as well in the 3-inch font size. So what I did is I cut the pieces out and I chalked them up around to kind of look at Smokey, that he's smoking the barbecue. And I did the same thing with the little barbecue. I did white chalk around it. And for the What's Cooking words, I just highlighted them with white marker and black marker. And I used the new, I'm using a new chalkboard paper by Die Cuts with a View, and what I'm going to do is mount it onto the glass of a regular 12 by 12 scrapbook frame. This is the regular 12. You take the glass out, and we want to mount it on the outside because we're going to be writing on this. This is actual like chalkboard that you could write on it with chalk. So I'll need my glue, and I'll just glue that up. You could use any form of glue. You could use tape, or you could use regular glue. But it's going to have to stick to glass, so just make sure that you put plenty so that it sticks. Okay, and I'm going to rub it onto the glass. Okay, then we're going to fix the words. Again, we're going to glue that up. What's Cooking. You want to make sure that you leave room so that they could actually write in what the menu is for the day on here. And you put the little bird at the bottom. And the little barbecue. I haven't worked with this chalkboard paper before, but it seems that you do have to use extra glue on here to make them stick, because it's I guess because it's got that chalkboard surface on it. Okay, well, I could fix it later, but I just wanted to give you the general idea. And what you would do is put the whole thing in the frame. Close it up on the back. And there you have What's Cooking. And then you could write on side whatever the menu is. Thank you.